This is an airmatic. It's from a well-brand, Germany brand's airmatics. And I saw it made by the plastic. It's a plastic, man. To hold a 3 tons SUV, Porsche Cayenne. It's a plastic. What about the original one? This is made by the alloy steel. It was so solid. Yeah, it's good. What about the well-known legend, big company in Germany built such a quality, unimaginable, unexpected. Okay, and we try and see what about the inlet swap. I'm trying to tighten it up. It loosened. It will leaks. The air will leak from here. Oh my goodness. How can it be? Oh my god. Such an airmatic to hold a car with a 3 ton. I cannot accept that. So sorry. The big company, the well-known German company can build the airmatic with a plastic to hold 3 tons of the car heavier. Unbelievable. Sorry to say that. Such a low quality. I hope everyone will get this information. So thank you so much.